Hey guys, welcome back to my video on my my channel. Today we'll be creating these fringes that I'll be using on a balloon. Now the fringes that I'm working with right now are from Dollar Tree, and then I got the light blue one was actually from Walmart. I originally ordered some on Amazon, and then I needed more to make. I had ordered I think it was 10 sheets packs from Amazon, and it was like $20 altogether. I had got 4 different colors, and this was definitely more cheaper. I didn't see too much difference, but yeah. So now I use 8 sheets, and I got this idea directly from Ask Me for a Balloon on their channel. They did one recently. So they still have that up. I'll try to link it in the description box if you guys want to see the video. And right here, I'm using the ribbon like they had in the video. As you've seen, I put some glue dots down in the middle because I noticed when I was making the other ones that the ribbon was kind of moving down when I flipped the tissue paper over in half. But once I did that, I just went across and stapled the ribbon to the top. And now I'm just cutting them. I try to do like 1/2 inch, but I'm not really good at cutting. So they were kind of different sizes, but it really doesn't, you don't really notice once you mix it all together. So still try to do, as small as you can, but some was big, some was small. And that's how it looks so far. And I had 2 of them. That was the original one I had for Amazon. It has like a little ivory color, and I stapled them together. And this is where now I winged this, you guys. I thought I was going to just get a helium balloon and I was going to put it on a string and everything was work out perfect. Nope, didn't work. I didn't notice that they were so heavy that they would pull the helium balloon down. And I'm glad I had my pipe, and this is what I end up doing.
Hey guys, so I end up tying the fringes on this 5-foot pole that I have. And it has like the nipple on at the end. So I will be putting this on like that plywood, that 2x2 plywood that I have. So I end up tying it around just like this. And now I'm about to play with it. I'll be back to show y'all the final results.
And this is how it looked at the top. I end up just sitting the balloon directly on top of the pole and tying it to the pole. And if I had a floor lamp, I would have used the floor lamp since it would have been a smaller base. But this is how everything turned out. I did use some fringes from the pole. Just took some off and glue dotted on the top part to cover up the little tying part. And this is how everything came out. Looks really good. And that pole was a 5-foot pole that I used. And stay tuned for the arch video. I will be posting that next week, or no, probably Sunday. I don't know, whichever day you guys see this video, then the arch will be that Sunday coming up. I don't know the dates, but yeah. Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, altogether I end up using 8 sheets, 2 sheets per color. Sorry guys, it's early in the morning and I'm just trying to get these videos done. I end up using 2 sheets per color. I'm going to link Ask Me for a Balloon because it was like very detailed in hers. This was like really quick and simple, and I was just winging it, but it came out really good. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.